Hi, good day. My name is Jonathan Ford, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure Oracle VM VirtualBox. So to begin, we are going to click on New, and I'm going to be naming it Windows Server 2012. My type is Microsoft Windows. My version is Windows 2012. My memory size is going to stay as is, and I'm going to be creating a virtual hard disk now. I'm going to click on Create. I'm going to leave my file location as is, my file size as is, and I'm going to be clicking on Virtual Hard Disk. I am going to be leaving storage on public hard disk, on physical hard disk, as dynamically allocated. Click Create. Then I'm going to go into Settings. Make sure everything is okay. I'm going to click on Storage, on Empty the hard disk. Click here, and I am done. Click OK. I'm going to go back into Settings one more time. Click on Network. Click on Host Only Adapter, and I am finished with this part of it. I'm going to start the machine now. Wait for the installation to be completed. Put in a password. That will be any password that you want.